Hello everyone, on page 25 we are going to only play lesson number 53. That's enough for that page, and then we are going just to move on 57, the long lesson, and we call it پیش درآمد. Of course I'm going to introduce that. So on page 25, lesson 53, we are learning dotted quarter note to another 16th note in 2/4 rhythm. 1 and 2 and it would be, for example, do, 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 do. Now we are going just to play with dotted quarter note. Do, 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 do. After learning and getting the feeling inside of this lesson, you will be able to practice number 57 at the next page 26. پیش درآمد مقدماتی ماهور means a prelude in دستگاه ماهور. دستگاه ماهور is one of the Persian music system مقام or mode. We call it دستگاه ماهور. And in ماهور we are going just to experience lots of natural notes except when we go to other maqam or transition to other mode. I'm going just to talk about it in a little bit. Okay, so from the beginning, just be prepared for sol, la, si, do, this interval. 1 and 2 and. So far, I'm going just to talk about پیش درآمد. پیش درآمد is one of the form of Persian music like reng. We had it before. پیش درآمد called پیش درآمد, but it means a prelude. Okay, so in traditionally for concert, people started with پیش درآمد first to bring people in mood. So it was a slow, mostly in 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 6/4. Again. So far we had a few parts with a little bit challenging finger position. Sol and then do, second line. Second line of the second line and first bar. Sol, do, si, la. So sol and do would be parallel. Sol, do, si, la, do. Do not take off your first finger. Do, si, la, si, sol. And from this one, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Do, si, la, si, do. And then you can go to just the low resolution of this instrument. Now on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth line, the third bar, it says delkash on top of the third bar. Delkash is one of the beautiful gushe or suite in دستگاه ماهور. It has specific notes that make it different, like لا کرون and سی بمول. دلکش فرام دستگاه ماهور takes us from ماهور to دستگاه شور, another Persian music system. So here you go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, and here La Coron or A quarter tone. Before A natural, we have quarter tone always. La, sol, fa, sol. Sol, fa, sol, la, fa. Still we are in Delkash. Si bemol, La Coron, sol. Here we have an interesting finger position. La coron si bemol do. Do si la sol la do si la sol. Again same similar melody. We have another gushe called the Furud. At the end of page 26, third bar said Furud. Furud is another gushe or suite in دستگاه ماهور or in any دستگاه or maqam or mode in Persian music. Means from anything that you became different like Delkash, with Furud you are going to back to your home, your station again. So we are going just to play Furud. A natural. پیش درآمد مقدماتی ماهور from the beginning. But vibration or vibration, for example, in دستگاه ماهور on C or anything. Generally, we are going just to do on Si me do, its own place, bring it up, back to its own place, like this. And make it faster and faster. So on Si me do, its own place, top or up. But on Si me sol, it's the opposite, its own place, down. Same. On Bam, also its own place and down, maybe a little bit up. We are going just to use on دستگاه ماهور in this پیش درآمد C most of the time as a vibration or vibration note because it's coming to tonic. And that was C major or ماهور do, ماهور from note do. Let's talk about do rab, another technique from your right hand. When you play rast, chap, rast, but very fast, and the accent will be at the end of the note, like rast, chap, rast. The third one has the accent. We call it do rab. Very fast. I think you recognized that I played a few do rab. For example, simple one was fa, mi, re, do. With do rab, fa, fa, fa. Mi, mi, mi. But very fast and the accent on third note.